Tobia Extreme. Tobia is an ideal place for lovers of extreme sports. It has a pleasant climate of approximately 28 degrees Celsius. Tobia is one of the places that has seen a boom in tourism for extreme sport and adventure tourism. The activities that are proposed for the days to enjoy this special place are: Day 1, extreme sports such as kayak and canoe tours, rafting, tubing, and climbing. At night, camping outside the hotel. Day 2, ecological walk and bird watching. At night, enjoy a drink in one of the leisure establishments in the center of the municipality. Day 3, go horseback riding and enjoy the Negro River, swimming in safe places. To get to Tobia, the tourists must go to the transport terminal in Bogota and take a fleet bound for the municipality. You can travel by car or motorcycle and take the option of private parking in several hotels that offer this service. The trip can take 1 hour and 45 minutes. When you are enjoying the activities in Tobia, you can take tours and jeeps that take you the places where the agencies that offer service for each activity are located. It is important to be accompanied by a guide for ecological walks and the practice of extreme sport. The activities proposed for 3 days to enjoy Tobia are: Day 1, the time of arrival at the hotel of choice is at 7 a.m. At 8 a.m., breakfast, and at 10 a.m. Arrival at the agency that will attend the extreme sport activities is scheduled. It begins with a kayak tour, then rafting on the Black River. Transfer is organized for lunch at 1 p.m. and then around 3 p.m. tubing and climbing. Dinner is scheduled at 8 p.m. and if the tourist wishes, they can camp outside the hotel. Day 2 at 8 a.m. breakfast and at 10 a.m. arrival at the agency that will carry out the ecological work and bird watching. This activity takes the whole day. So lunch will be given in one of the local restaurants. Dinner is taken at the hotel at 8 p.m. and if the tourist wishes, they can walk to the center of the municipality and have a few drinks or dance in one of the local bars. Day 3 at 8 a.m. at breakfast and at 10 a.m. arrival at the agency that will carry out the horseback ride and ride in the river where you can swim. Lunch will be organized at 3 p.m. and the tourists can stay until 6 p.m. when the trip ends. In Tobia, there are several hotels, but the most recommended is the Hotel Campesela Gaitana, offers a restaurant, outdoor pool, bar, and share lounge. Another good lodging choice is the San Pedro Hotel, which offers a special and comfortable place to the camp. During the stay in the hotels of Tobia, they offer a variety of a la carte dishes. If the tourist wishes, they can have breakfast of the typical changua with arepa of tamal, and Creole chicken for lunch accompanied by rice sauce or the Tobiano chupao, prepared based of the chicken, beef, rice, potato, banana, and cassava, which is served wrapped in banana leaves and dinner a rich chicken soup with vegetable. Tourists can drink natural juices based on water of milk and other drinks. This tourist packing of the 3 days and 2 nights pack includes the hotel stay, breakfast, lunch, diners, and the development of the activities at her price of 1,200,000 pesos.